In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign out of Yahoo Mail quickly and easily. If you're using a shared computer, a public device, or you simply want to protect your email account, signing out properly is a very important step. The good news is that the process only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so anyone can follow along. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail website. You can do this by typing mail.yahoo.com into your browser's address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, sign in to your Yahoo Mail account if you are not already logged in. After logging in, you should see your inbox along with all of your emails and folders. Now move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see your profile picture or your account icon. This icon represents your Yahoo account settings and options. Go ahead and click on your profile picture on the right side of the screen. A small menu will appear with several account options. In this menu, you will see the option labeled Sign Out. This is the option that logs you out of your Yahoo Mail account. Simply click on Sign Out and Yahoo will immediately log you out of your email account. After clicking it, you'll be taken back to the Yahoo login page, which confirms that your account has been successfully signed out. This is especially useful when you are using a shared computer so nobody else can access your emails. And that's all there is to it. That's how you sign out of Yahoo Mail in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.